We're about to get to the place where I'm thinking I'm gonna take some photo shoots and a little bit of a video for the channel. I'm not sure if it's gonna come out good and if it's gonna be a good place to take a video or a picture, but we're gonna get there and find out. So we just got to the place where I'm gonna take some probably pictures. I'm not sure if they're gonna come out good, but hopefully they do. Yeah, if I park over there.
Like right there. Yeah, cool.
Yeah, right here it already covers it, but let's see. Alright, so we're about to leave the place because this is a residential kind of parking kind of place, and I just revved the car and I don't know if people are still sleeping or they might call the cops. So let's go before we get in trouble.